Today I'm going to show you how I made this raspberry sauce, and I'm going to use it on ice cream. These raspberries are just beautiful. The sauce can be used for many different desserts, and I'm going to be using it on homemade ice cream. So what you do is rinse off these strawberries from the garden, and then I'm going to place them in here. Raspberries, sorry about that. And then sugar. And this is cornstarch mixed with water so that the cornstarch is totally dissolved. And then some Meyer lemon juice. We're going to heat this for about 3 to 7 minutes until everything's dissolved and it becomes very liquid. Now that it's done, I'm going to put it through this strainer. And then just use a spoon to get all the seeds out. Now it's ready to chill, or you can use it as right over the ice cream once it cools a little bit.